Now that I'm kind of getting caught up on the car and it's running and driving, I've been wanting to do this for a long time. I felt the car is so plain back here, and I've been wanting to do a spoiler for a long time, and I could not find the exact one I wanted to buy, so I figured we're gonna make one. So I'm gonna take you through my concept on this and show you what I got. I drew some stuff up in CAD. Some brackets, spoiler blade, and a test angle. I also picked up some braces. So let me get these taped on so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. This is the very first try, and I know we're gonna have to do some modifications because of the badging in the back, but let me just get this started. That's my first initial thought. I think the height is good. I actually think the angle is good too. I think I might just take that badge off. Let me get one of those struts out. This strut, I can cut it down, but this is just the factory length that comes in. So initially I was thinking I would have one like right here going to like this. And then I was thinking like this one would be kind of angled like that, or it could match, or I could do both kind of angled, but I'm thinking maybe one straight, one angled. I'm also thinking that this needs to extend another inch on this side, and then just so these are closer together in the center, because the other one will be right about here. I don't want that big a gap, so I'm gonna come out here more. But I think this is really enough to get me going. I think I'm just gonna go with that. Get it cut up. Get these pieces laser cut, plasma cut, whatever. And then drill holes and no return. Yeah, I think I'm going for it. So I think it's figured out. And I think the next step is just next time you'll see this is when I have actual parts in hand. If that just doesn't look professional, I don't know what does, man. That freaking this packaging is awesome. Let's hope these are thick enough. Let me oh look, I got a little sample something. Let me cut these out of here, and then we'll go hold them back there. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. And the packaging is amazing. Here they are out of the package. I think 1/8 inch is gonna be just fine. Man, it came out great. Yep. Yep. So, the neighbor is mowing the lawn, so I went ahead and already bent one up. Just put it right there in the vise. Used a hard rubber mallet. And then checked my angle. With these to make sure that they're both the same, and they are. So kind of see now. So let me get the other one bent up. I need to bend the other one, and then I need to countersink these holes on the back side, and I need to countersink some of these, and I need to get these painted. Parts are painted black, and then I went ahead and started laying out. I got them measured and taped up so I can mark the holes to drill them. Yeah, I think we're good. This is the scary part, is drilling. Don't think that I'm just beating up a totally awesome original trunk lid. That's rust raining down. So this trunk lid is far from perfect. Let me mark these holes and drill. Holes are drilled. And then I even got access holes down here. Now I just gotta make sure that when I shut the ends, that these bolts don't hit that metal. If it does, I have to figure something out. So I think I can widen these out a little bit more, and then I can put the bracket on. Okay, spoiler is on. I don't want to show you because I want to make it so you see it all at once. But I have to modify these rods. These have to be shortened, and then I have to retap one end. So let me get these done and hopefully get this wrapped up so that your final reveal will be the spoiler done. All right guys, it is totally done. So I think now that it's done, I'm for surely going to be painting the deck lid black because I think it needs to be black now. So I think that'll be the next order of business. I'll just unbolt this and paint it the same paint that I used to paint the spoiler and the hood. And then I think that should look pretty nice, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm pretty stoked with it. I'll do some, I'll get it out pretty soon too, and get you some other shots of it outside the garage so you can see what looks better.